Hi friends, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra. I will like to extend warm thanks to all of you for trusting Conceptual Orthopedics. As Conceptual Orthopedics is moving ahead, we have started this FRCS series. Now what are we doing further? We are building up module-wise MCQs and their discussions by the specialist. For example, trauma questions will be discussed by Dr. Shailesh Paisar. Shoulder and arthroscopy will be taken up by Dr. Harpreet. Hand and nerves, Dr. Ravinder Dimri sir. So what we'll try to do is give you questions and the possible solutions of MCQs in the live sessions and the recorded sessions in Conceptual Orthopedics. Is it a separate course? No. It is the part of the same subscriptions that you already have. Thank you very much.